So classic light drive. These are used to transmit small power at band speed up to about 10 meters per second, as in agricultural machines and small machine tools. What? What would you know? So light duty drive is small. It is used for the small power at band speed of 10 meters per second. Okay, the speed is given here. Mostly in agriculture machines and small machine tools. There is one machine they are shown here.
Light drive. In this video, we will discuss about the light drive. Agricultural diesel engine is one of the example of light drive.
Okay. Agriculture diesel engine. What is this actually? Can anyone make out? Agriculture pump. It's a pump, centrifugal pump, which is operated with help of diesel engine. Okay, this is a diesel engine here. आता this engine किती use केला मी to rotate this pump, because in agriculture sector there is no electricity. So kerosene घालो, petrol घालो, and you have to manually pull करते हैं. Manual drive and it will start. इधर start डाल के it will rotate. So we need only power to rotate. So आता engine use केला मी. ऐसे कुठे to operate the torque. बरोबर? Torque use drive नामका rotational power drive. We are using a engine here, which is operated by diesel engine. So here this pulley will become a driver pulley or driven pulley. Driver pulley, because this is rotated by engine. कळलं तुम्हाला लॉजिक किती ते? अब तुमके गाड़ी पेट्रोल डीजल दे घालते तुम्ही for all your automobiles and car. Why we are putting diesel and fuel? We need a drive. हमका ते rotate जापा है. When engine is there, we can change the reciprocating motion to the rotary motion. With fire जाता है, piston going down. We have a crankshaft that rotates. The piston push करके that this way that reciprocating motion is converted into rotary motion. So now this rotary motion we are using as a motor. So that motor we are passing the belt to the gearbox, and then our car and vehicles are going. Okay, it's run like this. Your bicycle, what is the drive over there? Pedal. That is manual drive. Okay, there where you are putting the pedal, no, that is a driver pulley. In the chain drive, that pulley will become sprocket. Okay, driver sprocket, driven sprocket, and chain is transferring over. Well, no, the logic same, but by the same logic we are using it.
Centrifugal pump. Driver pulley, driven pulley, flat bed. These are used to transmit small power at bell speeds up to about 10 meters per second as in agricultural machine and small machine tools.
Medium drives. These are used to transmit medium power at belt speed over 10 meters per second, but up to 22 meters per second in a machine tool. So here the speed is from about 10 to 22 meters per second. They all come on this drive, come under medium drive. They have given example of lathe machine. Okay.
Medium drive.
It is common medium drive.
We will discuss about the medium drive. Lathe machine used as a medium drive.
Now, how this lathe machine is rotated? What is the prime mover over there? Gear drive there, but Anikita thing. There is engine here. Electricity. We have a motor here. See, you can see the picture.
Driver pulley.
It's a driver pulley.
Driven pulley.
Driven pulley.
Bed.
You can open your belt behind and you can see that drive. Gearbox also you can remove it the top cover and see inside how many gears are. This rotates. And third drive is heavy drive. These are used to transmit large power at a belt speed about 22 meters per second, as in the compressor and generator. All big compressor generators where the belt drives, no, they have maximum velocity ratio. The speed is about 22 meters per second. They come on heavy drive.
Heavy drive. In this video, we will discuss about the heavy drive.
Whenever there is heavy drive, there should be a multiple big.
Driven pulley, multiple feedback.
It is rotated very high speed. That is heavy drive. Now types of flat belts are there. Flat belt drive distribution drives are. We have one is called open belt drive, another is called cross belt drive. Okay. यहाँ तो हम already discuss कर डाले, but you can see this. It connect the parallel shaft. In open belt drive, it connect the parallel shaft. Driver and driven shaft rotate in the same direction. Okay. This arrow you have to see. So that is open belt drive.
Open belt drive. In open belt drive, driving shaft and driven shaft rotates in the same direction. Shaper machine. Driver pulley.
See how that oscillating motion is converted. You see this?
Subject to tension and
Now this type of mechanism you have to bring in your head. When you can do it like this. When motion project here what happens is this motor driver pulley is connected to the driven pulley. From here the drive starts. So this rotates, this gear will rotate. So this gear rotates this gear. These are the gears. So gear rotated. Now this gear is accommodated in such a way like a cam. Alright? Like a cam was possible, and that cam they have given this type of mechanism. Slot malan pe all the follower up, so I can connect it. So when this rotates, that arm will they fixed, no, arm will pull that down again, put it in original position, pull down, pull it down. So this you can change this thing motion. So such type of mechanism they brought, and you can use it for see.
bag and chair are low.
You can see what happens. So this is a you can keep this type of idea in your mind and we can do it. Then cross belt drive. Here this rotate clockwise and this you require anti-clockwise. So this is a driver here, this is a driven here. So this rotate anti-clockwise. This rotate clockwise. It connect the parallel shaft, driver and driven shaft rotate the opposite direction.
Cross belt drive. In cross belt drives, the power is transmitted between small shafts rotating in the opposite direction. Planer machine.
See, belts are getting crossed like this.
Driver pulley. Driven pulley. Cross belt drive. Since the angle of contact in this type of drive is small, it can transmit more power than open belt drive.
Okay, here angle of
However,
contact
there is
is
more wear and tear of the belt in this drive.
open belt drive with ideal pulley. Like ideal pulley कितने गलत देगा? See, this is your driver, this is driven, and we have inserted one small ideal pulley. Additional means now there are 3 pulleys. एक मिस्टेक ideal में rest किया. To increase this contact area, so belt slip जाता. And distance is little bit long. But कोई ससान belt, there are chance of belt getting slip. That time engineers put one pulley over here So area of contact will get increased and belt tension will more. Where will remain a tension position. So there will no slip. So this is called ideal pulley to increase the angle of contact and increase the belt tension. Belt tension वाढवपाक किती करपाक जाय म्हणलें जाल्यार हे आन्सर येवपाक जाय. Provide a one ideal pulley. Which side? The driver side. Okay. In the slack side. Slack side, slack side. Ideal pulley to additional pulley are.
In this video, we will discuss about the
See
open
here
belt
one pulley.
drive with idler pulley. Now see the schematic animation open belt drive with idler pulley. It is used to improve belt drive performances as they reduce vibration by supporting a segment of the belt which is prone to vibration or oscillation. Here, the idler pulley is taking up the slack. They are also used in engines for positive clutching action by running the idler pulley on the slack side of the flat belt drive from engine to transmission. Idler pulley engine.
Why is idler pulley used? It's a question again. So quarter twisted or quarter turn drive. Quarter twisted with quarter turn drive or such 90 degrees. Suppose you want to pass the power, transmit the power, then you have to make such arrangement. So this will rotate this way and this has to be opposite direction. Right angle drive, you can say.
Quarter twisted or quarter turn drive. In this video, we will discuss about the quarter turn belt drive and its application. The quarter turn drive, always known as right angle belt drive, is used with shafts arranged at right angles and rotating in one definite direction.
So this rotate this direction.
Driver pulley, cement pulley, flat belt. In order to prevent the belt from leaving the pulley, the larger face width pulley is used.
Step cone pulley. This is the already we have V group step cone pulley. After there are some plate measure their step. Step means maybe one diameter bigger, one diameter smaller, then smaller. And this side will be opposite, bigger, smaller, smaller. So the step cone pulley mostly used in the lathe machine. This is very olden days to change the speed ratio. Speed coming as per step cone pulley is good.
Step or cone pulley drive. In this video, we will discuss about the step or cone drive and its application. Next stop. Step pulley, cement pulley, belt, driver pulley. Step cone drive used in the lathe for the purpose of speed changing.
This we already discussed in the late topic also. Step cone. A compound drive means one drive is getting over here, but same the shaft is little bit extended and one more pulley is connected over there, and that drive we can transfer to another. So that is called compounded drive. It connects at least two or more parallel shafts. Driver and driven shaft rotates in the same direction.
Compound drive.
See compound drive, how it looks. See,
Discuss about the compound
both are two.
drive and its application. In a belt drive, if the power is transmitted from driver pulley to drive pulley to one or more intermediate shaft or pulleys called as a compound belt drive. Compound drive is used in the flow rails driver pulley, driven pulley. It connects at least two or more parallel shafts.
Okay.
Driver and driven shafts rotates in same direction.
So two or more shafts can be connected. Now belt tension. How we can maintain the belt tension? Sometime after long period of time, the belt is running. There are chances of slippage. Belt will get slip, or belt will get maybe worn out. Little bit length maybe vary. Some can have anything. Okay. So now the belt tension. What are the cause and how we can rectify such type of problem? See, and we can do some dressing of the belt also. Belt tension. The belt must be tensioned correctly to transfer the torque from the driving pulley to the driven pulley to prevent unnecessary wear. So it has to be tensioned correctly. So the divan circuit tension differ. So torque from the driving pulley to the driven pulley to prevent unnecessary wear. Just take the one that you have to take care. Too much of belt tension curtails belt and bearing lights. So some belt tension because there are chances of the belt get curtailed and bearing light. Bearing light also be there. So at the best stretch, has the best stretch is used, it is necessary to check and adjust the belt drive tension. You have to physical check and you have to adjust the belt drive tension accordingly. When drive is transmitting power, the belt pulls or belt tension. When belt is transmitting power, the belt pulls or the belt tension. There is a tight side tension T and there is slack side tension TS. So this is the tight side, this is the slack side. So tension ratio of the tight side slack side tension is commonly referred to as a tension ratio. Higher the ratio between the tight side and slack side tension makes the belt loose and slip. So this cause lack of ineffective pull for the transmitting the required power. Adjustment tension. This is one tools. When the distance between the two pulleys is fixed, the tension of the belt is adjusted by idea. When the distance between the two pulleys is not fixed, the tension of the belt is adjusted by the adjustment tool. Arc of the contact. This is the awful arrow mala. This is arc of contact. Tension necessary to create friction between the pulley and the belt, and torque transmission depend contact surface the belt or the pulley. If the wrapping angle is peak, the pulley can transmit high torque. Wrapping angle means from here to belt is getting wrapped to the pulley, entire pulley will get more torque. Belt efficiency to provide maximum arc of contact, the following points should be considered. Heavy belts and multiply construction should be used, not use a small diameter pulley. In the arc of the contact is sufficient because of the short centered distance between the pulley, jockey pulley should introduce as near to the small pulley possible. Excessive tension in the belt reduces the arc of contact, introduce additional stress, which drastically reduce the life of the belts and bearing. Vertical drives should definitely be avoided because the belt tension necessary to withstand gravitational pull and accompanying the slippage will result in adverse effect. So on the open belt drive, the slack side must be top and center distance between the pulleys should be maintained. Measure tension of the V belt drive to determine the force required belt per 25 mm per stem length and apply force particularly span the center of the belt large enough to deflect one belt 0.5 mm span from its curvature. So care and maintenance, small topic will take how we can care and maintain your belt to serve it regularly and you will get a better efficiency. So there should be avoid of slippage. So keep the pulley faces and belts free from foreign materials which may cause slip. So always pulley आणि belt आपण दोघा एकमेकां friction दबवत तिथे it has to be free. काय foreign material असतो ना metal part भी कितने असतो ना. when V belts being to show sign of there, they should be replaced. The V belt दिसता मागचं मॅट झाला असं लांब हे झालं असं wear tear झाला, you have to replace it. Okay. Replace all the belt in multiple V belt drives rather than a single one. Suppose there are 4 groove V pulley drives there, multiple V groove drive is there. Only one is where you have noted, but you don't have to replace one, you have to replace all 4 belts. Okay, they might replace it. Check the adjust drive tension periodically. You have to check the belt tension periodically. Store the belt in a cool, dark, and dry place. If spare belt is available, then you have to keep in the cool and dark and dry space. The belt tension should be adjusted in such a way that deflection forces within the between the maximum and minimum. So this is the technical one. So up to here the belt